Gavin G here from ultimatereloader.com. I'm here with Mark Purcell. Mark, thank you for having me out to Moab.
Absolutely. Have you had a good time?
Oh man, beyond. So let me tell you about some of the stuff we've done here. We've driven Jeeps through the desert. We built a Polymer 89 mil pistol. We built AR-15s. We're talking about totally cool experiences. We shot full auto out here. We've been driving around in beautiful country, and we're here for a purpose because you're with Wheeler for a purpose, right?
Yes, absolutely, Gavin. And so I'm so glad you came out here. Wheeler's onto something huge here. And as you guys know, we're very well known for our gunsmithing tools. And we, through this media event where we brought in some tool guys, some gun guys, and we had a great time. We built some guns, we shot some guns, had a lot of freedom going out here in Moab, Utah.
Yep.
It's beautiful, as you guys can see.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
actually some Jeeps rolling out as we speak. And we basically just had a great time, did some off-roading, and there's a reason that we did that, which we can't tell you too much about it, but Wheeler just went through a massive rebrand process.
As you can see right here.
New color scheme, new logo, new look, new feel. And the first product you actually have in your hands.
Can we show them?
Yes.
All right.
Is the Fat Sticks, which is a torque limiter T-handle set. It's got a nice bit extension, 5 torque limiters, 12 of your most common size bits, and it's got 5 torque limiters ranging from 15 to 65 inch-pounds for all your scope mounting and gun maintenance needs.
I love the 1/2 inch socket because your scope base is typically 1/2 inch.
There you go.
We were using this, we were at 45 inch-pounds on the base and 15 at the top, and we had both of them ready to roll. When are these going to be available, approximately?
So these will be available beginning of February of 2022.
Okay, so you're going to see more of tools like this and a whole bunch of other cool stuff. There's a lot more cool Wheeler content coming. Mark, thank you so much for having me.
It's been a blast.
All right, that's all for now. Make sure you're subscribed for more updates.